Okay, I did a fun fall tablescape. First of all, these plates came from the Dollar Tree. And they got the turquoise leaves and the turquoise pumpkin on there. This was from Hobby Lobby. It's not a charger plate, it's an actual plate, and it looks like wood. And I bought it, I think, for 90% off. And this is a charger plate from Hobby Lobby. I got it last year after summer. The table cloth came from Amazon. Same way with the napkins. The napkin ring came from Hobby Lobby. Silverware, Amazon. I got this at a craft show. Isn't it amazing? I think it's just beautiful. You know, those are my colors. I love the turquoise. I found this at the Pottery Barn. And I love the turquoise truck. My husband picked that up and said, I'm bringing that home. These were an item that was found in the house, the house that I bought. And so they've been with me for a while. And this is a stacked pumpkin. I found that, I think, at a store that's closed actually right now. I found it in Cape Cod at a store that's closed. I can't think of the name of it, but anyway. And the table runner, that was a Temu, and I thought it was pretty. It's kind of a Southwest pattern, but I thought it would be beautiful for fall. And there went our scarecrow.